So today we are going to work on subtraction with renaming, okay? So here's a rule about renaming with subtraction. When we take away more than we start with, we must rename. So renaming. So my turn. I'm going to answer my question. When do we rename? When we take away more than we start with. Your turn. When do we rename?
When we take away more than we start with.
Good job. All right, so let's look at this first one. What number are we starting with in the ones?
5.
5. Good. And then we're starting with 5 and we're taking away 9. So do we have to rename? Good. Perfect. All right, so let's look at another one. This time we have 75 minus 43. What number are we starting with in the ones this time?
5.
Good. And what are we taking away?
3.
Do we need to rename if we take away 3?
No.
We don't. Good. We don't rename here because we're not taking away more than what we're starting with. Let's do the next one. Y'all are doing a great job. 38 minus 27. What are we starting out with now in the ones column?
8.
8. And how many are we taking away?
7.
Great. So if we're starting with 8, we're taking away 7. Do we rename?
No.
Why not?
Because we have more on the top in the tens column. In the ones column.
Good job. Yep, we have more in the ones column on top. So we're starting out with more and we're taking away less. So that's good. All right, we're going to do a couple more just to make sure we definitely understand it before we move on. 38 minus 29. How many are we starting with?
8 in the ones column.
8 in the ones column. And how many are we taking away?
9.
So do we need to rename?
Yes, we do.
We do. Good. All right. Let's do one more before we move on. Because I think y'all are doing fantastic. All right. 42 minus 37. How many are we starting with in the ones here?
2.
2. And how many are we taking away?
7.
Would you rename for this one?
Yes.
Yes. Why would you rename?
Because we have more on the bottom.
Great job. We're going to move on. And remember, we rename when we have more on the bottom than on the top. All right. Can you read this first one for me, Jessica?
53 minus 26.
Good. The ones column tells us to start with 3 and take away 6. What does the ones column tell us to do?
That we need to rename.
We rename because we're starting with
3
and taking away
6.
Good. So we need to rename. Yes, so we're starting with 3, taking away more than 3, correct?
Yes.
All right. So here's how we rename. First, we take one of the tens from 5 tens. So what do we do first?
We take 1 away.
From the
Tens.
So that 5 is going to become what?
A 4.
4. So if we took 1 from the 5 tens, we now have 4 tens left. Now, since we took a 10 away, we are then going to cross it out, rewrite a 4, and then we are going to get ready to move on to our ones, and that 10 is going to move into the ones column. Do you know how many ones we would have then?
13.
13. Imagine you can stop it.